Yes. A very cheerful good morning to all of you. Welcome to the English class. Yes, student, today we are going to continue our lesson number 3, the noun and its kind. So, student, yesterday we studied about the noun and its kind. So, today we will do the exercise of this chapter. So, firstly, we will revise the noun and then we will do the exercise. So, let's start the common noun. So, firstly, you have to know about the noun. What is a noun, students? Yes, words which are used as a name of a person, animal, places or things are called nouns. All these nouns are common noun. ये जितने भी nouns होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Common nouns होते हैं. Yes, you know that the everything around us is called a noun. So in one word, so we can say that the noun is a naming word. Clear, students? So now let's start its kind. So first is here common noun. Okay, so look at the pictures and then read the following sentences. The teacher teaches her pupils. Okay, number second sentence, the mice are afraid of a cat. Number third sentence, there are 3 windows in this room and there were 3 pastries on this plate. And number fifth, apples and mangoes are fruit. Yes, you notice that the words in the first sentence, the word teachers and pupils are the name of a person. Okay, in the second sentence, the words mice and cats are the name of animals. And in the number third sentence, windows and rooms are the names of places. Number fourth sentence, the pastries and plate are the name of a thing. And number fifth sentence, apples, mangoes and fruit are the name of the things. Okay, students, you know that the words which are used as the names of a person, animal, places, things are called nouns. So all these nouns are common noun. ये जितने भी nouns है क्या कहलाते हैं? Common noun कहलाते हैं. Okay, student, got it? So we can say in simple word, I would like to say to tell you that it is a naming word. ये क्या कहलाते हैं? Naming word कहलाते हैं. So let's study the list of a common noun. Yes, persons, animals, places and things. So person is a name is given here. Uncle. Okay, and next one is here aunt, gardener, teacher, grocer. So this is a person. This is a name of a person. Next one is here animals. Animals, yes, here horse, tiger, lion, rabbit, mouse. This is the name of animals. And places, yes, farm, school, park, zoo, museum, hospital. Yes, this is the name of a places. And last one is here things. Yes, things. Yes, shoe, needle, laptop, camera, pencil, pen. Okay, so this is the name of a thing. So you know that these words we use as a person, animals, places and things are called nouns. Okay, now let's start the exercise number 1 of this chapter. Okay, exercise number 1, in the each of list given below there is one word that does not belong to that list, so pick it out. इस एक्सरसाइज 1 में हमको क्या करना है कि हमारे सामने लिस्ट दी गई है. ओके, सो इसके अंदर से एक वर्ड क्या है? ऑड है, तो हमको क्या करना है? ऑड वन आउट. ओके, हमको जो ऑड वर्ड है उसको आउट करना है और उसको राइट डाउन करना है. लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो नंबर 1 हियर, मेज, barley, wheat, cabbage, oats and gram. Okay, student, you notice that the maize, barley, wheat, oats ये क्या है? Cereals हैं, है ना? And जो cabbage है वो क्या है? हमारा as a vegetable है. तो cabbage, you know about the cabbage? Cabbage is a vegetable. So here we write down the odd one is here. We write cabbage. CABBAGE. Clear, student? Now नेक्स्ट वन इज हियर. आपको क्या ध्यान में रखना है कि जो इनसे लिस्ट में मैच नहीं करता वो ऑड वन है, तो हियर वी राइट द ऑड वन. ओके, नंबर सेकंड, आयरन, जिंक, कॉटन, ब्रास, लीड, स्टील. सो यू नोटिस दैट आयरन, जिंक, ब्रास ये क्या है? सभी मेटल है ना? एंड द कॉटन क्या है? फाइबर है. तो ऑड वन क्या हो गया इसके अंदर? यस, ऑड वन इज हियर कॉटन. Okay, now next one is here number 3, stairs, floor, ceiling, elm, door, window. You notice that जो stairs जिसको हम सीढ़ियां बोलते हैं, ceiling है, जो छत है, floor है, जो first है, window, door, okay, ये सब क्या है, एक दूसरे से related है. लेकिन elm means क्या होता है बच्चों? Tree. So tree क्या यहाँ पे बिल्कुल different है इस list में. So this is a odd one. So here we write ELM. Clear? Now number 4, breeze, flat, bungalow, cottage, villa, house. Okay, you notice the word of a house as if we use as a word as a flat, bungalow, cottage, villa, house. Now breeze is here odd one. So here we write as a breeze. BRITGE. Clear student? Now number 5th is here beans, peas, potatoes, mutton, carrots, radish. Okay, so you notice that beans, peas as a बीटरूट्स भी हैं यहाँ पे है ना, लेकिन जो मटन है वो क्या है, डिफरेंट है, वो नॉन वेजिटेरियन है ना. सो हियर वी राइट ऑड वन इज हियर मटन, MUTTON. क्लियर? नंबर 6 इज हियर स्पैरो, स्वेलो, पिजन, काउ, पैरेट, पिकअप. ओके, सो आपने देखी होंगे कि ये एरियल वर्ड है ना. आपने एज ए स्पैरो, स्वेलो, पिजन, पैरेट एंड पिकअप. एंड काउ, cow is here as a land animal, terrestrial animal हम बोलते हैं ना जिसको. Yes, odd one is here cow. Clear students? So I hope you have to clear this exercise. Okay, so let's start the next exercise. Exercise number 2. Okay, so exercise number 2 in which the match the common nouns given in the box clear below and the pictures by writing the correct names in the space given below each picture. हमको क्या करना है कि जो common nouns are the words are given in the help box. Okay, so we have to match the words from the picture. Clear students? So let's start. देखिए words देखिए, snail, kangaroo, whistle, flag, smoke, igloo, engine, wool, florist and greengrocer. So you have to write the words. Okay, so now first one image is given, first image is given here. You notice that this is the image of a igloo. Okay, you have to write is here igloo, IGLOO. Clear? Now number second image is given. You notice, yes, this image is here engine, ENGINE. Now number third is here. You notice the image. Yes, this is a wool, WOOL. Number fourth is image here. You notice the images. Yes, florist. Okay, FLORIST. Number fifth image is given here as a whistle, WHISTLE. Here. Now number 6 image, you know very well about this. Yes, it's a flag, FLAG. Now here number 7th image, you notice that this is a smoke. Okay, SMOKE. Clear students? So I hope you have to clear this exercise. Now move on the next page. Yes, number 8 image is here. You have to write the green grocer. Green grocer कौन होता है? फल बेचने वाला, जो फ्रूट सेलिंग करते हैं. Here we use as a word green grocer, GREENGROCER. Clear? Now next image is here number 9, snail, SNAIL. Okay, number 10 image is here kangaroo, KANGAROO. Okay, kangaroo. So this is the image. Okay, so I think you have to understand this exercise number 2. This is a very simple exercise. Okay, now let's start the next exercise, exercise number 3. This is a very important exercise. I think you have to know about the houses of the animals. Yes, so this exercise is related to houses of animals. So let's start. Here are two set of nouns. Okay, in set A, nouns are actually names of animals. You can see the help box is here A and B. So in the A box, so you have noticed the name of animals. Okay. Now in set B, the nouns are names of the homes where these animals live. In set B में क्या करना है हमको, जो names है where these animals live, जो animals जहाँ पर रहते हैं उनके क्या दिए गए हैं, name दिए गए हैं. So student choose the right animal and its home from the two sets and write in the space provided. So here space is given here. Okay, so one example has been done for you. तो एग्जाम्पल देखिए, एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू हमको समझ में आ जाएगा. तो ए जो हमारा, जो हमको क्या करना है, ए बॉक्स में एनिमल्स दिए गए हैं और जो बी बॉक्स है उनके होम नेम दिए गए हैं. सो हियर वी हैव टू राइट दिस लाइक dog live in kennel. Okay, so here next one is here lion. So here lion live in, lion कहाँ पर रहते हैं पता है आपको? Yes, lion home, you know, lion home. Yes, then okay. Now number third is here ship, SHEEP. The name of a ship home, wait, SHEEP. The name of a ship home, fold, FOLD. Clear? Now next one is here horse. Okay, so the name of the horse home, stable, STABLE. Clear? Now next one is here as a name of animal, rabbit, RABBIT. Clear? Now we have to write the name of a farm, burrow, BURROW. You can take a screenshot also. So tomorrow I will ask you. Okay. Now next is here cow, COW. So you have to write the cow, buyer, BYRE. Clear? Next one is here as a eagle, EAGLE. Okay, now next is here eagle. So here the name of the farm, yes, Eyrie, EYRIE. Clear? Okay, next one is here bee, BEE. So we have to write bee, HIVE. Clear? Next one is here as a tiger, TIGER. Okay, now you have to write lair, LAIR. Clear, student? Now next one is here as a spider, SPIDER, spider. So you have to write WEB, web. Okay, student? So I hope you have to clear the name of the houses of animals. Okay, so student, so this is the all about the common noun. ये किसके बारे में थी हमारे? Common noun के बारे में. So now let's start the proper noun. So firstly you have to know about the proper noun. Okay, so a proper noun is a special name of a particular person or place. For instance, as Ashok is a proper noun, for it is a name of a particular boy. Okay, I'm giving you another example. Yes, proper noun is a special name of a particular person. Proper noun क्या होते हैं? मतलब this is the name of a special of a particular person. जब हम किसी particular person की हम बात कर रहे हैं तो here we use as a proper noun. देखिए example है Ashok is reading. So Ashok is here as a proper noun because it is the name of a particular boy. मैं boy की बात कर रही हूँ कि you are a very good student. So you are a very good student. I am not mentioning your name. Yes, Kushank is a very good student. Kushank is an attentive student in the class. I am mentioning the name of Kushank. So Kushank is here as a proper noun. Clear, student? So in the same way, New Delhi is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular city. I am talking about only a city. I am talking about the pink city. Okay, but we not mention the name of a city and mention a pink city. This is you can identify the Jaipur. Okay, so here you notice that we write as a New Delhi is the capital of India. So New Delhi is here as a proper noun and India is also a proper noun because we mention the name of a country, India. Okay, student. Now, one more thing that it is most important that a proper noun always begins with the capital letter. जो proper noun होते हैं वो किससे start होते हैं बेटा? Capital letter से start होते हैं. Okay. Yes, you notice that Look at these sentences, student. Yes, Ashok lives in New Delhi. So this is the wrong. Why this is the wrong? When we speak this, Ashok lives in a New Delhi, this is the correct sentence. But when we write a sentence, you notice that Ashok is there. You notice that first letter should be a capital, but here we write a first letter as a small. Okay, so this is a proper name, proper noun also. So you have to write the first letter as a capital. Okay, now New Delhi is a name of a country. We have mentioned this is a proper noun, so you have to write the name, you have to write the first letter as a capital, as a new, and capital, and Delhi D capital. So this is the right sentence. Okay, when we speak a sentence, we don't notice about the capital letter or small letter. When we write a sentence, you have to mention the capital letter. Okay, students, so this is clear to you? Okay, so now let's start the exercise number 4. Here are 20 words. 10 of them are special names of a persons and places, but are not printed properly. Clear? Pick them out and write them correctly. Okay, student. So this is a homework for you. So you have to find out the special names of the person and places in this exercise. Okay, so you have to write properly. So tomorrow we will continue this exercise. Okay, student, clear?